Nintendo!
Ngayon, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mark!
Happy birthday!
Ich bin Cassandra. Freut mich, euch kennenzulernen. Willkommen in meinem Haus. Aber ich bin doch hier, um zu helfen. Als Familie.
So ayun guys, nandito nga pala kami sa Alintanaka, 21 birthday ni Makoy, and nandito nga pala kami sa tabing dagat ng mga tropa. Yes, galing pa to school.
Last subject!
Yes! Woo! Tignan nyo yung dagat. Pang dagat talaga siya. Guys, anong masasabi nyo sa birthday ni Makoy?
Happy birthday, Mark! Happy birthday!
Happy 21 birthday, Mac. Sana mabuhay ka ng matagal. Yeah! So guys, nandito nga pala kami sa pool ng Alintanaka. Yeah. Kaya na bahala mag-rate kung ano bang masasabi nyo sa vlog na ito. Yeah, anong masasabi mo sa birthday ni Mac?
Happy birthday, Mac! More birthday to come. Best of luck to you.
Yes. And Mac, I wish nothing but the best for you. Sana mabuhay tayo ng matagal sa may kapal. Yes! Oh. So ayan guys, papunta na ako kay Makoy. And ito nga pala. Ito yung kaganapan ngayon. Happy birthday! Hello guys! Happy birthday to man! Happy birthday to the Father Packer! Happy birthday, Mac! Pasa mo sa kanila.
Anong masasabi mo sa birthday? Ano? 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 Birthday wish? Sana makabasa? Di mo yun? Isado? May mga wish ba?
Ha? Ha? Kamusta? Ako, kamusta? I'm fine.
Hanggang ano lang sila guys. 6 PM lang sila guys. Kasi hindi sila pinayagan mag-overnight. Mga kupal yan sila. That's Mike. That's Mike. That's Mike. Ha? Ha? Aktugin!
So ayun guys, nandito nga pala kami sa swimming pool ng Alintanaka. Kayo na pong umusga kung gaano kaganda ang lugar na ito. And makikita mo dito ang pangalan ng Alintanaka. At andito ang mga bata. Yet! BM Vloggers, kahit kita aura, no?
Guys, tour guide tayo sa room. Dito yung second room. Andito yung mga adik. Ay! Yung mga tao dito. This is Gabriel Francisco. Ay,
Birthday, Mac.
Franco pala. And then, ito naman si Diana Igsus, may kababata. Ay, na! Ikaw naman, samahan mo ko. Ay, tara na. And then, this is the second room. Dito yung mga matulog ang mga pinsan, mga kamag-anak, mga lahat, mga kupal.
Pamilyars, mga kabarangay,
Ah.
mga kapitbahay. Nandito na rin.
Oh, dyan sa
Alintanaka.
yeah. Dito naman, ang room ng aking mother. Dito yung room ng mother ko. Dahil kakailang niya galing sa abroad. And, yeah. Tatlong room na yun, aircon na yan. And this is the name of Joel Omajili.
Hello, Mac. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Ay.
Good luck sa mga plano natin sa buhay.
Sana manalo tayo lahat.
Gets na yan. Sana pala rin.
Sana magtagumpay ang buong may kapal. Tapos, eto naman, ang bago.
First of all, kakain na tayo dapat.
Pala, gutom na sila kasi madami nang nangyayari. Dito naman yung nag-cater, si auntie.
Ako ang cater today.
Happy birthday, Mac.
Happy birthday, Mac! I love you!
Thank you so much. Si Cookie.
Hello, Cookie! Thank you, Cookie!
Yan yung aso nila. Napaka-cute. And this is my mother, guys. Wow. Ano masasabi mo sa birthday ng kamahal-mahal?
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Wish you all the best and hopefully you'll become a good, more and more good.
Okay.
Study first.
Okay.
Study first. Okay?
Okay. Tapos dito naman, isa ba sila? Kuan? Auntie na ako, dalawa. Ang bot lang, isa. Yung mic.
Hi, guys!
Ay. Tara na, punta na sa loob. Tayo ng vlog to. Ay. Ewan ko ang nangyayari sa mundong ito. Ako ay kalbo. Ay. Mic test. Kupal ka ba? Kupal. Naga-makeup siya, guys. Alam niyo ba't siya naga-makeup? Kasi maliligo siya, o, di ba? Ang useless. Ang useless ng ganap niya, guys. Napaisa ka, babaeng pokina. This is, Christine Hermano. The dilag dito sa, ano ba? Birthday celebration. Kaninong birthday ba to? Sino ba yan? Ano masasabi mo sa room natin?
It's so beautiful.
Beautiful ang?
Room.
Malamang!
Ipaglaban mo sarili mo. Dapat lang. Like, pinili ko to.
Kasi siya yung nag-ano, guys. Parang nag-deal.
So ayan guys, nandito na naman kami kasama si Makoy!
Nasa tabing dagat
Yes!
kami, guys. Tabing dagat kami.
Dito yung mga kasama namin ngayon. Woo! Yung mga tao dito. And sana Mac, ang wish ko sa'yo ay mabuhay ka ng matagal hanggang gusto mo. And
Yeah,
wish you all the best.
pinaikot nilaro pinalis mo na ako, pero kapag ikaw yung nangangailangan, ako naman tong hindi ka matiis.
Hello, mic test. Oh, Gab, mag-sticker na tayo, Gab.
Yes, nandito na po yung approval sa resort na to. Yun, ng sticker. Pwede ba yan sa leg?
Upal. Hey guys, hawakan mo. Facebook.
Hello guys. What's up? Hello guys. Welcome to my vlog. Another day, another vlog. 21 birthday, pangatlong vlog na. Pangatlo, pangapat.
Hindi ko masabi sa ibang
Sure. I have a story to tell.
bukas na ako na
Sure.
layo ka pa.
Oh, fuck
Dahil
you.
ikaw na sa aking isip at sa hinaharap. Oo no.
Magtanong tayo sa mga guest doon. Magpalit tayo doon. Magpalit.
Bye-bye.
Ano masasabi mo ang ingay mo?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Max!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Max!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I'm freezing in the sun, I'm burning in the rain. The silence, I'm screaming cold.
And I do the side of your life. Put out the fire. And fire. If you say goodbye to me, so and all that I see, and all that I need, you say. It's okay. ina, kupal. You're ruined kasi di ka pumunta. Plan?
Ay, naku, wala na akong pakialam ba sa iinom.
Ano yan dyan? Tawa ka. Yakap sa dilim. Dear Charo. Na namatayan na guys. Puta. Sino namatay?
Ayun lang.
Ending.
Then no forever will be
Okay na. Bagay, naligaw-ligaw sa aking mother guys. Walang sa kanin. Welcome here kay nagpalilan siya sa pagbababa sa Pinas. Sige na.
Uy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Uy, gago. Uy, message. Uy, kanta.
Thank you so much, everybody. And let's go fucking
Anong wish mo? Anong wish mo?
secret.
Sabihin mo dito.
Max version 2.
Tulad ng birthday sa balala sa makita ka na sa okay, mga pusa dalay mo ng hukuman sa Diyos naglipat na iyan ikaw lolo sa mga kinabuhi tinitanan ng mga sana sa ngalan ng Panginoon sa Kristo. Amen.
Amen. Happy birthday to you.
May I call the mother of Mark? Any message for him?
Yes. Ikaw na video dyan para maklaro. Mark, tahimik lang. Pawag naman ako ba't magic na bali?
Hi everyone, good evening. For all, happy birthday to my only one, Principia. I wish na continue sa imong pagkabutan, pati na morong sa tanan, friendly, dili palaway, iwan sa mama. Focus sa study mo lang, okay? Maintain and raise, marami na ito ang
Sabihin mo kung may wish siya sa
improve sa ako ang mga sigalaan.
pag may gusto siyang i-wish sa mama niya.
Sa mga friends, marami na ang importante. Pagkahaman mo sa pag-eskwela, kamusta nang ina-adire, mga estudyante, kinahanggan, focus sa pag-eskwela mo na. Tabi-tabi sa ng mga lab-lab. Once again, dalang salamat sa inyong tanan sa pag-attend. Maskin kita lang sa mechanics, basing daghan na ka. Celebrate na tapuhan ko, graduate na mo. Okay? Daghang salamat. Again, happy birthday. Love you.
Uy!
What's your wish?
So ngayon guys, pwede na kami maligo kasi yung isa hindi siya maliligo. Inaatok siya guys, putang ina. Bad trip. Charot.
The party's over, time to go. Spinning lights, the music dies, and never shows.
Yeah.
Wine stains and glitter on the floor. Grab my shoes, always the last one out the door. For a moment it all stopped. My head, my heart, like I forgot that you are gone. And then the feeling brings me back again. I'm losing all my senses every night. Darling, don't you know that I would die for you? And I don't wanna want somebody new. Darling, don't you know that I die every night for you? I cry for you. Above me, I can see the stars, and it feels like we are miles and miles apart. And then the feeling brings me back again. I'm losing all my senses every night. Darling, don't you know that I would die for you? And I don't wanna want somebody new. Darling, don't you know that I die every night for you? I cry for you. I hate when everybody's going home. I'm on mine. I say, couldn't we just have one more before we go? Don't wanna go. I wanna feel like I'm flying. I wanna stay in the clouds still. But when I fall into my bed, it tears me up again. And I'm losing all my senses every night. Darling, don't you know that I would die for you? And I don't wanna want somebody.
What can you say about the experience?
It's so fucking frustrating. And I hate to see this. I'm tired. See you tomorrow, guys.
What's the meaning of the end of your nickname of the Bad Wolf?
It's a fucking disaster. It's coming. Bye.
Bro?
Let's talk about love.
Maybe the night the motives might let me know. Only stars are blue, sure. Only stars are blue, sure. Only stars are cowards. In the darkness, oh, am I what's left?
Who are you in this vast multiverse? Mr. Strange?
And the kids cry out. We're spinning off the edge of the world. Never had no chance. Nowhere to hide. Who did you call?
Multiple flame.
She's very cold.
Theo, is there any sign of them?
Come on, Harvey. Hurry up. Hurry up. Goodbye, Nancy. Goodbye, Aunt Hilda. Goodbye, Harvey. And Ross. And Theo. And Robin. And Ambrose. And Prudence. And Agatha. And Baxter High. And the Coven. And Greendale. And Sam. And Nick. Goodbye, Nick. Goodbye, Nicholas. I'm never letting you go.
We saved everyone! Everything's gonna be alright. She's Sabrina.
She knew. I knew she did. When she had to turn safe.
Sweetie, learn and fall.
Excuse me. Is this seat taken?
Crack of light, that's all.
Nick, what are you doing here?
Calling you to say
This realm is only for...
I went swimming in the sea of sorrows. Wicked undertow.
Oh, Nick. No. Nick.
What's important is that we're together here. Forever and ever.
That is a plus.
calling you to say
Run. Run, you clever boy. And remember me. I don't know where I am. I just know I'm running. Sometimes it's like I've lived 1,000 lives in 1,000 places. I'm born, I live, I die. And always there's the doctor. Always I'm running to save the doctor again and again and again. And he hardly ever hears me. But I've always been there. Doctor?
Yes? What is it? What do you want?
Right from the very beginning. Sorry, but you're about to make a very big mistake. Don't steal that one, steal this one. The navigation system's knackered, but you'll have much more fun. Right from the day he started running. Run, you clever boy. And remember me.
it's still just a baby boy.